Halloween 2021 and I'm excited. I've been thinking about this moment, planning it for weeks. Now for my normal channel followers, yeah, this video has nothing to do with cool cars. Trust me, that content's coming on the next video. But hey, before I could even afford these cars I like, I was a dad first. And so I love children. I wanted to do something special for Halloween. I don't even know how I first got the idea. I think last year I didn't even pass out candy. But hey, this year I had one of those Kevin Costner Field of Dream moments. If you build it, they will come. And so that's what I plan to do. Not just a Halloween haunted house, but a Halloween epic adventure. So tag along with me throughout the day as I get everything put out there in the front yard. I'm not going to do the cliche time lapse where you watch it play back at 32 times normal speed and everybody's going. But hey, to be honest, I did start setting up yesterday afternoon, at least the haunted tunnel, because that takes the most amount of time. And I wanted to make sure I had all the pieces to it. But today is all about getting the rest of the props out there. It's already 7 a.m. I only have 12 hours until it gets dark. So I have to be ready. I don't want to be like those house flip shows we all watch where they have the open house at 6 p.m. and it's like 3 p.m. and they haven't even hung the sheetrock yet. Well, maybe that's a slight exaggeration, but you get my drift. So let's go into the garage where I have a lot of things staged. I'm going to show you what's all going to go into this display tonight. Let's go. All right, so let's start with the animatronics. I got all kind of cool animated zombies and witches and death row dude and little zombie girl. I've got inflatables. I've got more animated zombies. And one thing you need to know about these animated people is that they only come with the short push button to activate them. It's probably only a foot long, so that's not going to do me any good if I'm trying to control everything from one central station. So hey, what did I do? I have built and put together a control panel where I've got extra wire, and so I run 20-30 feet of wire to wherever they're going to be positioned, and just got a PVC junction box with little on-off switches. And so I'll label these, of course, but at the touch of a button I can fire and activate whichever animatronic I want from one spot. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. We've covered the animatronics. What else do I have here? You'll need plenty of batteries. They're all battery operated. I've got strobe lights. I've got the fog machine. I've got walkie-talkies for the workers so we can stay in touch. From a safety perspective, got the fire extinguisher, got the plastic chain, exit signs, socially distanced markers, got pylons. All right, the haunted tunnel. So basically I want to show you, like I said, it was just a greenhouse frame, metal poles put together in sections. So it's about 7 feet wide, 7 feet tall, and 12 feet long. So I've covered it with this black backyard privacy mesh, which has these nice little grommets, which made it easy with zip ties. So that was a cinch. So I've got plenty of the black mesh. Now it also pays to get you some heavy duty black plastic, whether it's for the inside or outside. So I've got a big roll of that, so that came in handy. As you can see, I'm starting to get some of the layout together. I'll get the final thing here shortly, but it'll have a couple turns to it. Now, one of the inflatables I saw online on Amazon that I had to get that was perfect for the haunted tunnel was this big Grim Reaper, which has its own streamers hanging down, so you walk underneath the Grim Reaper straight into the tunnel. And so I thought that was a cool way to denote the entrance to it. So really, trick-or-treaters will come through. We'll have an attendant here come through. There'll be some scary effects. I've got pylons and chains so you can clearly know which way to go, because it'll be pretty dark. And so we'll get some more covering here. So like I said, you can do a lot with a 7 feet wide, 12 feet long tunnel. Now some people use the PVC frame to build their haunted house, and that's cool too, but I just chose to go with this greenhouse metal tunnel. Pretty quick to put together. All right, it's about 10 a.m. Starting to take shape. Got some of the barricades out, so you clearly have an entrance to the haunted tunnel. Can't go just up the driveway. Graveyard area starting to take shape. We got the zombie guys in the ground. We got the coffin. We'll probably put the candy inside the coffin. Got the fake tombstones. Got the big zombie dude, still got to tie his wires in to the control panel, so it's starting to take shape. We got the second inflatable up, some ghost with a skull's head, so he lights up at night, so that's gonna be pretty cool. We'll give a quick glimpse in the daytime going through the tunnel. Scary Dina girl will greet folks right there. Coming here, now you're getting ready to the high voltage area, the death row inmate. And we'll set this guy off the foot pad. Alright, so they'll come out the tunnel, they'll come around, got cones to once again denote where to go. We'll come toward our graveyard setup. Greeted by the tall zombie dude with the hood. And folks will come around the sidewalk here, and the last area will be the witches stirring the cauldron pot.
Fire burn and cauldron
They light up at night, stirring the pot, the cauldron pot.
Round about the cauldron go, in the poison entrails throw. Boil thou first. See, my next ingredient has arrived. No longer deprived. A morsel I will take, in the cauldron boil and bake.
Feeling pretty good right about now. Like I said, it's still about 6.5 hours till it gets dark. I'm only afraid that I may not have enough candy though. I may have 250, 300 bags. This thing could be huge. I don't know. We'll find out. I'm hoping people come for the attraction, and if we run out of candy, well, the attraction will make up for not getting any candy yet. At my house. Alright, control panel is ready. I still need to label them though. I've got these top 3 on the right here, activating zombie. So let's see what we got. And we're going to test out the fog machine, your run-of-the-mill fog machine. It uses fog juice, that's what it's called. So we're going to turn it on. This one has also, you can change the color of the fog, different colors. But anyway, let's turn on the remote. Hopefully it's not too windy tonight, so it'll just lay and not get swept away. Alright, so it's finally nighttime. A lot of kids have already come through and they love the tunnel. A lot of screams, and a lot of them are just frankly scared that they want to go inside. Loving the light up ghost dude. Got the lights on the outside of the tunnel. We'll come on through. The red eyes of the creepy Dina girl. Got the body bag. Got the voltage. Oh, what's that? Whoa! High voltage. That's one guy. Alrighty, yeah, kids had a blast. They're coming around. The zombies come up the ground. Candy in the coffin.
Now it fell to remove that smile from your pretty face.
Come around, witches.
Huggles and Haggadah
Yellow eyes.
and eyes of a crow. All powers are mine now, and all that you